So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to book an AirAsia ticket online. So the first thing you want to do is to type out AirAsia right here and get to your AirAsia account. So you can see AirAsia Move on here. So that will be going to the AirAsia Move app. So just make sure to open on here so you can log in, but you don't even have to do that. So starting off, you can go to use something like a one-way trip. So you can use from to, and to go ahead and let's type something in like this, and you can then choose when it's going to depart. So let's add something random and then just go to search. Now logging in is helpful for you having the necessary information already there. So something like your personal information, your payment information and stuff like that. It's going to make booking and finding your flights much easier on AirAsia Move, but you can just find one on there, and usually it's going to be listed through your from cheapest to most expensive, but you can set it up through fastest, earliest, and so on. But after that, it's going to be asking you if you can log in. So just make sure that you put in your information, and then you can start off with adding the necessary info and payment info about your ticket. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on AirAsia or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.